Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to see one of the useful function of Excel, unique. I have the stationary data where I have taken Xerox multiple time, printouts and light bills. There are multiple items. You must aware if I want to find out the unique value from this description, I need to copy them, paste it somewhere else, go to data and use the remove duplicate functionality. Once I click here, I'll press OK. There are 19 duplicate value that has been removed and only 7 unique values are there. I can see the unique value. To do this, Excel has provided new formula unique. So let me remove this. I will type is equal to unique. So what it says returns the unique value from the range or array. I'll just press tab. The first criteria is array. Array is nothing but a column. So I want to find out a unique value from the column B. I will select column B till the end. There are two other parameters also, both are optional. We will see one by one them. First, we will see how it returns the value. So bracket complete, enter. Once you enter, if you see, all our unique value has been extracted from the column B. I will modify the Xerox to file and the file has been added. I will remove the file, I will replace with the Xerox again and the file has been removed. So let us see the second criteria. I will type unique array. I will select column A and B, comma, true returns unique column and false returns unique rows. By the time I will select only false to return the unique rows. Bracket complete and press enter. To understand the data properly, I will format this as a date. Fine. So how it is unique? Because I can see the Xerox has been repeated twice a time or multiple time. But when you observe the data, 10th Feb 2020, I will just highlight this data. It repeated 3 times in one day. So the combination of date and Xerox has been considered only once. So any combination of array repeated more than once get considered only once in the unique formula. Now third criteria, I want to find out the expense which is not repeated at all even in the data. That means we have purchased something only once. To find out, I will type unique formula. I will select the array. I will skip the by column. I'll go to exactly once. So if you observe, it's a true return items that appear exactly once. I will select true, bracket complete, press enter. So if you see prints, light bill, pen, petrol, so those are items are actually purchased once only. If you see prints, it came only one time in the data. For this kind of tips, tricks, subscribe our channel, press like if this video is helping you, share with your friends. Thank you very much. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye. Take care.